Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on the Ps4 and checking for any pending system updates. This avoids handshake errors later. Next, locate your Wi-Fi name and password so you can enter them without pausing. Once ready, go to Settings Network and select Set up Internet Connection. This is the first actionable step that starts the Ps4 scanning for networks. Make sure to choose Wi-Fi, not LAN, because you intend to connect wirelessly and avoid wasted steps. Once the Ps4 lists networks, select your SSID and press X. If the network is hidden, choose Manual and type it exactly. You then enter the encryption key, use WPA2 when available, and be precise with caps, numbers, and symbols because one wrong character blocks connection. After entering credentials, the console saves settings and attempts DHCP. If you need a static IP, switch to manual and input IP, gateway, and DNS values. This step completes authentication and negotiates an IP lease. You finish by running test internet connection to confirm IP assignment, NAT type, and ping. This tells you if online play will work. If speeds are poor, try relocating the router or switching to a less congested channel. 5 GHz helps for speed, but 4 GHz offers better range. If connection fails, a single reliable troubleshooting tip is to power cycle both the router and the Ps4, then re-enter the Wi-Fi password. That clears common DH.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.